We deliver DX AHU systems for compact and medium food units and chiller-based HVAC for continuous high-load operations. WCSIPL integrates air pressurization for ready-to-eat plants. We control odor, fumes, and moisture in pickle, chutney, and washing areas. Balanced airflow maintains hygiene zoning and air segregation. Our pressure zoning separates raw, semi-processed, and final product areas. Fresh air systems bring oxygen and comfort into packaging halls. Dedicated exhausts remove humidity and odor effectively. Stainless steel ducts ensure hygiene and washdown resistance. Insulated ducting eliminates condensation and microbial growth. Because at WCSIPL, we believe air is not just for cooling. It's for protecting quality, purity, and people.